Good morning and good afternoon. My name is Yagnik Solanki. I am from Surat, Gujarat. Recently, 3 months ago, I relocated to Ahmedabad from Surat. Well, coming to my education, I have completed bachelor degree, BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, at Sri Shambhubai V Patel College, which is located at Sumulleri Road, Surat, in 2021. Well, coming to my work experience, I am a Laravel developer with 3 years of experience. Coming to my strength, I am a self-motivated person. Coming to my weakness, I am feel uncomfortable until my work will finish in a given time. Okay, coming to my introduction family, uh, including me, there are 8 members in my family. My father is a X-ray technicians. My mother is a housewife. Uh, I have 3 siblings. And coming to my hobbies, I like to playing cricket. I like to traveling, photography, listening music. And coming to my goals, my short-term goal is get to a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is I want to be a successful man. Thank you.